it's Regina from Pampered Soaps, back with another video. Today I'm going to do a revised edition of my Infused Rose soap. It seems to be a popular one, so I am going to do the way I do it now. I know the video that I did about a year ago, I changed the recipe since then, so I'm going to show you guys how I do it now. So the first thing I have to do, of course, is drain my herbs that I used, that I infused for 6 hours. So I'm going to strain it a little bit and take this off so I can get the oil out, cut my scale on. Don't want to over measure anything. All right, scale's ready. And I'm just going to go ahead and pour this in here. All right. Oh, it looks so pretty. All right. I only need about 7 ounces, so there we go. It's about 7.1. That's perfect. All right. Then I'm going to drain this real quick for you guys. All right. Squeeze it out. Try to get all of the medicinal benefits of the herbs into the oils here. I don't like to waste anything, so I try to squeeze out as much as I can. All right. There we go. Okay, and as always, you guys know I don't like to waste time, so I'm going to go off camera and mix the rest of this up, and I will come back to finish this up for you, so we'll be right back. All right, we are back. I mixed everything up off camera, so now I have my clay mixed up in my oils, and I'm going to go ahead and pour for you guys. I have to do this process fairly quickly because it gets thick really quick. Here we go. All right, I'm just going to give it a second, and I'm going to go ahead and texture it for you guys on camera here in a second, because this stuff gets thick quick. It doesn't take very long. All right, grab my spoon, and we're just going to move it to the side a little bit. Give it just a little bit of a texture. Doesn't need much right now. Turn it around. There we go. Okay. All right. Now I have the rose and the calendula herbs here. Both of these go on top. So we're just going to sprinkle right down the middle. A little bit of both. Start with the roses. All right. Rose petals. Then we're going to go ahead and put some of these calendula on here. I just put it right down the middle. I have the actual rose petals also inside the oils themselves, so it's infused into the oil. Okay. Perfect. Makes it look nice and pretty, but it's also got medicinal benefits as well. And let me spray my alcohol on top like always. All right. Gotta keep everything sanitary, making sure everything is perfect. All right, there we go. All right, guys, we'll be back next Saturday with another video for you. Until then, say hi on social media, pampersoaps.com. On Instagram, we are at pampersoaps500. Be blessed, stay safe out there, guys.